So one of the biggest misconceptions I see is that the backlog quality starts with writing better user stories. It really doesn't. It starts with having a clear understanding of what we're actually trying to accomplish. Too often, teams jump straight into refinement activities before they align on the initiative itself. The result is a backlog that's well written but pointed in the wrong direction. That's why I start with the initiative brief. If the objective changes, the backlog itself should change as well. Only after we've clarified the initiative does it make sense to update the stories and synchronize that work into Jira or whatever tracker you're using. This isn't about replacing the product owner, it's about eliminating the administrative work that keeps product owners from doing the work that matters most. AI can generate user stories, we know this. It can't determine whether the team is solving the right problem. That's still the responsibility of leadership. This thinking is built directly into high performance delivery systems. Before we optimize delivery, let's make sure we're delivering the right work. That's how we reduce friction, improve alignment, and create backlogs that the team can actually execute against.